everybody, I'm Jamie West, founder of Baby Morgan Blankets, and today I'm going to take you through the unboxing experience of a Baby Morgan blanket. The experience starts with this super adorable envelope. It gets you all excited and it's got fun, cheery colors. It's unmistakable when it arrives in your mailbox. The blanket itself is enclosed in a clear package to keep it safe from rain and dust so that it arrives in pristine, perfect condition. Now, there's not just a blanket in here, but there's also a cute little card. This card says, "This blanket is gifted to," and it's got a line, "on," and it's got a line for the date, and then it says, "with love from," and then it's got some really cute retro-inspired balloons and teddy bear. And on this side here, it has a really cute sentiment. It says, "Psst, it's me, your blanket. I'm so excited to meet you. We're going to be best friends, I just know it. I promise to be there for you all the time. Let's share snuggles, cuddles, and snoozes, okay? I'm here to bring you peace, comfort, happiness, joy, giggles, assurance, relaxation, and deep sleep. I hope to be in your heart for many years to come. Thank you for choosing me, Baby Morgan." And now for the blanket. This is the 18 by 20 inch mini security blanket. We also have a 36 by 50 inch crib sized blanket available and an adult size throw blanket, and they come in pink or blue or white. There's a really cute cheery paper card on here that matches the envelope. And then the blanket itself. It's just super soft, really snuggly and cuddly. I think anybody would be super excited to receive it. Thanks for checking us out. You can find us at babymorganblankets.com.